I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a safe workspace. Spin up a local or low-cost host and install WordPress. Once done, go to the Themes area and install Themify Lite from the official repository. This gives core layouts without paying. Make sure to activate and import any free demo content you need. Also, create a full backup before making edits. That way you can experiment without risk. These steps let you work legally and learn the builder, while preserving your live site. Next, focus on building. Use the included Themify Builder modules to arrange rows, columns, and content. Drag, drop, and edit inline so you see results immediately. If you need advanced presentation, apply small CSS edits through the customizer or create a child theme. This keeps changes safe during updates. Also, integrate free plugins for sliders, contact forms, SEO, and caching. They fill gaps without paying. Once configured, test responsiveness and performance to ensure your site looks professional. To finish, optimize and polish. Test across mobile and desktop. Tweak spacing, fonts, and images so layouts remain stable. Once done, compress images, enable caching, and reduce plugin bloat to keep load times low. If something breaks, start by restoring your backup if needed. Otherwise, disable plugins one at a time to find conflicts and check the browser console for errors. If you still need premium features, consider trials, official extensions, or affordable alternatives rather than circumventing licensing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.